Hi traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. If you want to understand how traders predict price movements and make better trading decisions, then technical analysis is the key. All right. In this video, I'm going to be breaking down everything you need to know about technical analysis as a beginner so you can start analyzing charts with confidence. Okay, so stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have a strong foundation to use technical analysis in your trading strategy. Now, let's just dive right in. So, what exactly is technical analysis? In simple terms, it is the study of price movements on a chart. Right, traders use historical price data to identify patterns, trends, and potential future movements. Now, unlike fundamental analysis, which looks at economic and financial factors, technical analysis is all about price action. Okay, if you can understand price action, you can improve your decision making in forex, stocks, or even crypto trading. Just think of it like this: when you drive, you look in the rear view mirror to get an idea of what is behind you. In the same way, traders analyze past price movements to get a sense of where the market might be headed next. Now, let's talk about chart patterns. Patterns help traders predict possible price movements. And here are a few key ones that you should know as a beginner. The first is support and resistance. Right, support and resistance zones are very important zones on your chart. Support is a price level where an asset tends to stop falling and bounce back up, while resistance is where the price struggles to break through and tends to drop. So identifying these levels can help you spot potential entry and exit points. Okay, then the next is trend lines. A trend line connects price points to show the overall direction of the market, whether it's an uptrend or a downtrend or a sideways movement, right? So if the price consistently moves higher, then you have an uptrend. Okay, if it's consistently making lower lows, then you have a downtrend. Simple, right? Now, in terms of candlestick patterns, candlestick charts give traders valuable insights. Some popular patterns include the doji, hammer, and engulfing patterns. Okay, we have talked about some of these patterns in previous videos, so you might want to check them out for more detailed breakdown. Okay, but basically, the doji is a candle that shows indecision. Something like this, you have a little or nobody, and then you have wicks on both sides, up and down, right? And then the engulfing is a candlestick pattern that swallows up the previous candle. For example, this bearish engulfing swallowed up the previous bullish candle. A bullish engulfing is a candle that swallows up the previous bearish candle, right? So that is what we call engulfing pattern, right? And then we have a hammer. Hammer pattern is the one that occurs, at the end of a downtrend. You have a long body. You have a long wick and then a small body on top. Okay, that's what we call a hammer. They signal possible reversals or continuation of trends. So mastering these patterns can help you develop a better trading plan and avoid emotional trading mistakes. Okay, now let's just talk about indicators. Indicators are tools that traders use to confirm trends and signals on a chart. Here are three beginner friendly indicators. The first is the moving averages. Okay, the moving averages, they smooth out price data and help identify the trend direction. So as a beginner, as a beginner, you can take advantage of the 50-day moving average and the 200-day moving average. Okay, they are popular among traders. All right. When you have the 50 EMA cross above the 200 EMA is a buy signal. When you have the 50 EMA drop below the 200 EMA is a sell signal. Then the next indicator that you might want to look out for is the relative strength index. Right, the relative strength index, it helps determine whether the market is overbought or oversold. All right, if the RSI is above 70, it might be overbought, meaning a potential pullback could happen. Okay, then if the price is below, if the RSI, sorry, is below 30, if RSI is below 30, it means that the assets could be oversold, indicating a potential bullish reversal. Okay, then the next indicator we're going to be talking about is the MACD, the moving average convergence divergence. Alright, the MACD helps traders to spot trend reversals and momentum shifts. So basically, when the MACD line crosses above the signal line, it's a bullish signal, and when the MACD line crosses below the signal line, it is a bearish signal. And then you watch out for the histogram bars. When the histogram bars are getting longer, it shows that there is strengthening momentum. When the histogram bars are getting shorter, it shows that there is weakening momentum. Okay, basically, when you have short bars, it's most likely a consolidation. Okay, so you have to be watching out for those, right? These indicators combined with price action and chart patterns give you a much clearer picture of market trends. Now, before we wrap up, let's quickly go over some common mistakes that beginners make with technical analysis. The first is ignoring the bigger picture. Do not focus only on short time frames. Okay, always check multiple time frames to get a full perspective on market trends. Secondly, do not rely only on one indicator. Okay, no single indicator is perfect, so use a combination of tools to confirm your analysis before making your decisions. Okay, and finally, not practicing enough is very bad. Okay, reading about technical analysis is not enough. You need to practice on demo accounts or backtest your strategies before using real money. All right, it is very important. Okay, if you want to be successful in the long run. And that is a wrap. Now you have a solid understanding of technical analysis basics, including chart patterns, key indicators, and common mistakes to avoid. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button. It really helps support the channel. And don't forget to subscribe if you want more trading insights like this. Tap that notification bell so you never miss an update. Let me know in the comments what is your favorite indicator to use. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.